In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix notifications on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, go to settings. In settings, go down and here you will see notifications. So select notifications and here you will see all of the types of notifications. So the first one is allow pop-up notifications. So you can turn it on or off as per your choice. Then here is show preview, play sound, display time, and here are select which pop-ups you want to see and when you want to see them. So under here you will see all types of notifications. So you can turn them on or off as per your choice. And so from here you can fix your notifications on your PS5. So hope this helps you out and thanks for watching.